Good morning friends. In this lecture I am going to discuss problem on one-dimensional wave equation. Let us see the problem, students. Find the solution of the wave equation. What, students? Wave equation. What is wave equation, students? Everybody? Dou square y by dou t square, that is equal to c square into dou square y by dou x square. See the students, same. Dou square y by dou t square, that is equal to c square into dou square y by dou x square. Corresponding to the triangular initial deflection. Initially it is triangular deflection, students. Okay. Now what is given deflection, students, here? F of x, that is equal to 2k by L into x, 0 less than x less than L by 2, and 2k by L into L minus x, L by 2 less than x less than L. Okay, and initial velocity 0, students, and initial velocity 0. Now you first write the given data, students. First write the given data. What is given equation, students? Dou square y by dou t square, that is equal to c square and dou square y by dou x square. What is suitable solution, students? What is suitable solution? Y of x comma t, that is equal to c1 cos px plus c2 sin px into c3 cos pct plus c4 sin pct. This is second equation, students. Now boundary conditions, students. What are the boundary conditions? First 2, 3 and 4 are boundary conditions. So y at 0 comma t, that is equal to 0. Initial displacement, students, or deflection is 0. So y of L comma t, that is equal to 0, both ends. So he given deflection, initial deflection, or what is the displacement, students. So y of x comma 0, that is equal to given function, students. So 2k by L x, 0 less than x less than L by 2, 2k by L into L minus x, L by 2 less than x less than L. What is the initial velocity, students? What is initial velocity? 0. So dou y by dou t at t is equal to 0 is 0, students. 0. Now see, students, from 3 and 2. What is 3, students? Y at 0 comma t. What is 2, students? Solution. If I applying this condition here, which value is 0, students? C1 value 0. So whenever C1 value is 0, right here C2 sin px. Rest of the term, these, students, same. Okay, students. Now you may have one doubt, students. Is it we write directly here like this? No, students. We cannot write like this. There is a proof of this equation or solution, students. You can check in my first video of one-dimensional wave equation, students, lecture 1. The link will provide in the description, students. You can check there, right? Now from 4 and 7, students. What is 4? Y at L comma t, that is equal to 0, and 7 means this one, students. By using these two, we get this solution, students. Sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity a n sin n pi x by L cos n pi ct by L plus b n sin n pi x by L into sin n pi ct by L, n pi ct by L. So this is 8, students. 8. Now again I am using 6, students. Actually we can use the fifth equation, students, fifth one. So I want to apply this first, this one, students, because the bn value becomes 0 here. I can easily find an value now. Okay, so that's why I am using this equation, students, first. So 6 and 8. Sorry, 6 and 8. Okay. So whenever I applying this condition here, bn value becomes 0. So we get the solution, students. Now I want to find which value, students? Which value? an value, students. So to find the an value, we need here the ninth equation and fifth equation, students. Ninth equation, fifth equation. What is fifth equation, students? Y at x comma 0, that is equal to 2k by L into x, 0 less than x less than L by 2, and 2k by L into L minus x, L by 2 less than x less than L. And what is the ninth condition, students? So this is 5. What is ninth one, students? Y of x comma t, that is equal to sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity a n sin n pi x by L cos n pi ct by L, students, n pi ct by L. So this is ninth one, students. So this is ninth one. So we need these two, students. Let us continue, students. Let us find a n value, students. Now this is 5 and 9, students. So from 5 and 9 we get say, students, y at x comma 0, students, here y at x comma 0. So I want to write y at x comma 0. So that is equal to, put t is equal to 0, students, here y at x comma 0 means t value 0. So the right hand side here we have t, students, here. So t value 0. So cos 0 1, cos 0 value is 1, students. So we get here sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity a n sin n pi x by L. Here we know cos 0 value is 1. Cos 0 value is 1. Now see, students, here sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity a n sin n pi x by L. So here we need to find a n value, students. In previous case, what happens? There are trigonometric functions, students. Trigonometric functions. So whenever there is a trigonometric function, we are comparing both sides. We get a n value, a1 value or a2 value, etc., students. Okay. Here we have a function, students. 2k by L into x, 2k by L into L minus x. So here we need to apply the concept of Fourier series, students. Fourier series. In the Fourier series, we need to apply half range. See, students, see sine term here. So we need to apply half range sine series, students. What is half range sine series, students? Half range sine series. What is half range sine series, students? F of x, that is equal to sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by c, students. Say the interval is here 0 less than x less than c. So what is bn value, students? 2 by c integral 0 to c f of x sin n pi x by c, students, into dx. And this is the concept of half range sine series, students. Half range sine series. So we need to find the an value. To find an value, we are applying the concept of half range sine series. What is half range sine series, students? F of x, that is equal to sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by c. When, students? When it is Fourier series of given function 0 less than x less than c. So how can you find bn value, students? Bn is equal to 2 by c integral 0 to c f of x sin n pi x by c dx. Now what is here our interval, students? 0 to L. Okay, 0 to L. Now I want to find an value, students, here. An value. So an, that is equal to, see, students, 2 by c. What is length here, students? L. So 2 by L into integral 0 to c, students. Integral 0 to c. Actually we can write 0 to L, but I want to split, students, directly from 0 to L by 2 and L by 2 to L. So integral 0 to L by 2. What is y of x comma 0 value, students? 2k by L into x. 2k by L into x. Okay. Into sin n pi x by c, students. So sin n pi x by, we have L, students, L, minus into dx minus integral. What is the next interval, students? L by 2 to L. So here the lower limit is L by 2, upper limit is L, students. Upper limit is L. Now f of y at x comma 0 value is 2k by L into L minus x into again sin n pi x by L into dx bracket close, students, bracket close. So we need to apply generalization of integration by parts formula, students. So integral of uv, that is equal to u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus and so on. Now what is u here, students? What is u? U is x and v is sin n pi x by L. So that is equal to 2 by L into again 2k by L bracket u is x here, x integration of sin n pi x by L, students. So minus cos n pi x by L divided by n pi by L, students, n pi by L minus u dash, students, u dash means 1 into again integration of minus cos n pi x by L by n pi by L, students. We get here minus sin n pi x by L divided by n pi by L, students. We have already n pi by L, so we get n pi by L whole square between the limits 0 to L by 2, between the limits 0 to L by 2, minus, is it minus, students, here? No, plus, students, plus, students. So plus taking 2k by L outside, 2k by L, I think so, 2k by L taking down entire. So next step I can write, students, I will write 2k by L into, what is u here, students? L minus x. What is v, students? Sin n pi x by L. So x into integral of sin n pi x by L. So again we get here minus cos n pi x by L by n pi by L minus derivative of L is 0, derivative of minus x is, we get minus 1 bracket again integration of sin n pi x by L, students, we get here. So sin n pi x by L divided by n pi by L whole square between the limits L by 2 to L bracket close, students, bracket close. So that is equal to, we can take into account 2k by L, students. Here we have 2k by L, here I have 2k by L. So we get here 4k by L square, 4k by L square bracket, substitute upper limit, students, upper limit at the place of x. So minus, here we have minus, so minus L by 2 cos L by 2, students. So we get here L cancel, we get n pi by 2 divided by n pi by L, students, n pi by L minus into minus plus here it can be written as n pi by L whole square, means we can write L square by n pi whole square. Here also I can write, students, here also I can write here L square by minus L square by 2 into n pi, right? Here also x upper limit, students. So L by 2 L cancel, students, we get here sin n pi by 2, whenever I substitute lower limit, students, here our coefficient is x, so the value is 0, sin 0 value is 0, students, so the lower limit value is 0 plus see, students, minus we have, so write minus substitute upper limit, students, substitute upper limit here. See, students, it is not x, students, it is L minus x, students, L minus x, here we have L minus x, students. So whenever I substitute upper limit here, L minus L, so the value is 0. Here we have 3 minus, students, so 3 minus, so get minus x value L, students, L cancel, sin n pi value also 0, we know sin n pi value 0, Now substitute lower limit, students, here, lower limit. So whenever I substitute lower limit here, we get minus. So L minus L by 2, that means we get here L by 2. L by 2. Already we have minus here, students. Minus into minus plus. So L by 2 means here, L by 2 means we get here, L by 2 means we get here cos, LL cancel, we get cos n pi by 2 divided by n pi by L. That means we get here L square, students, here, L square. Now I am substituting lower limit, students. So 1, 2, 3. So lower limit is minus. So we get 4 minus, students. So we get here plus. Substituting lower limit, students. So we get here LL cancel. We get sine n pi by 2 divided by n pi whole square into L square, students. Into L square. Bracket close. That is equal to 4k by L square into, see, students, here minus L square by 2 plus L square by 2 cos n pi by 2 n by n pi, cos n pi by 2 by n pi, cancel, students, cancel. So here see, students, here L square by n pi whole square sin n pi by 2, L square by n pi whole square sin n pi by 2. So 2 times, students, 2 times. So we get here 2 times of L square into sin n pi by 2 divided by n pi whole square. L square cancel, students. That is equal to, we get here 8k sin n pi by 2 by n pi whole square, students, n pi whole square. So this value substitute in 9, students. Substitute in 9. We get substitute here, students. Y of x comma t, that is equal to sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity a n value, students. What is a n value? 8k sin n pi by 2 divided by n pi whole square into sin n pi x by L into cos n pi ct by L, students, n pi ct by L, which is the required solution of given equation, students. Once again, students, applying this condition, students, y at x comma 0 in this equation, students, or in the solution 9. So t value 0, students. So cos 0 value is 1. So y at x comma 0 is equal, we get this one, students. I want to find a n value, students. To find a n value, previously we have trigonometric functions, so there we comparing on both sides, we get solution, students. Here it is not possible because it is in terms of x. So that way I am applying here half range sine series, students, because I have here sine term. So what is half range sine series, students? We know f of x, that is equal sigma n is equal 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by c. What is condition, students? 0 less than x less than c. What is bn value, students? 2 by c integral 0 to c f of x sin n pi x by c dx. So it is different problem, students. Please do it carefully, right? So I am applying here. I have a n, students. So a n, that is equal to, okay, y of x comma 0 values. I am substituting here, students, and then applying generalization of integration by parts, students. I already told you this formula is very, very important in the Fourier series, students. Do it carefully, right? I am applying here, and sin n pi value 0. Finally I got this here, a n value. I am substituting here, students. So this is the required solution of given problem, students. Please like this video and share it, students. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.